I had a passion for medicine. My name is Dr. Siraj Sayeed. I'm an orthopedic surgeon, currently living here in San Antonio, Texas. You can go back to my roots. I was born in Lincoln, Nebraska. My family moved around a little bit. We finally settled in Kentucky. I went to school at University of Louisville, and then I was in ROTC, so I was an engineering student. After graduation, I have a master's in electrical engineering. And then I went into the Air Force. I did intelligence for 3 years, and then I was an ROTC instructor. But during that time, I had a passion for medicine. I took some night classes and then was able to get into the University of Kentucky Medical School, then went to the Mayo Clinic for my residency in orthopedic surgery, and then went back into the Air Force as an orthopedic surgeon. So a long career. I graduated in 2007. So from 2007 to 2014, I was in the military as an orthopedic surgeon. We lived in Maryland, so Andrews Air Force Base at that posting, and then I went and did a fellowship in joint replacement surgery in Baltimore. So we lived in Baltimore for a year, and then the Air Force moved us to San Antonio. We fell in love with the city, and we ended up staying in San Antonio. I've been in practice now after residency for about 16 years, here as a practicing orthopedic surgeon since end of 2014, early 2015, so about 8 years in my private practice. I would like to thank everybody for watching. If you have any additional questions or want to get in contact with me, please give me a call.